Hello kiddos and welcome back to my channel. I'm not wearing makeup right now. I just cleaned my face. I feel so fresh faced right now. I'm wearing a bun. It's really hot out. It's like 90 something degrees and I just don't feel like putting on makeup right now. So I threw my hair up in a bun and I said, fuck it. I want to make this video because obviously I'm not an expert. I'm not a lash expert, but I thought this would be fun and I actually did it one time. This is my second time doing it, but the first time I'm gonna struggle a little bit, and I filmed it but the video quality was kind of trash, therefore I will be attempting it again. Now the first time that I did it, it only lasted like 4 days, but I think it's because I didn't put it close to my lash and it was kind of just sitting on top, so the glue kind of just dried and it still didn't dry on the actual lash, you know what I mean? I don't know, so it was just kind of just sitting on top of my lash. So I have no idea how I managed to sleep with them on. Anyway, one day I was just going like this. I like pulled one to check how strong it was and you know, it just came right off and I was like, okay, well that's, yep, okay, great. Anyway, I'm trying it again because I actually really like the look of them, and yep, here we are. This is not a how-to. Let's not all become lash technicians in the comments, okay? I bought this lash tight glue. This lady on the internet, of course, this is how I educate myself. She used it and she said that it lasts 2 weeks. It lasts 4 days to me, so we're gonna try again and see how long it actually lasts. Then I have two Ardell yep, that one. Individual lashes, and one is in the Duralash lashes, which is the pink packaging, and then these are the soft touch, and these are short and these are medium. Now the medium are just slightly longer than my natural lashes. I don't want to have these crazy butterfly caterpillar looking things, okay? Like I don't, oh no, lashes. I just want something to amp up the lashes that I already have. What am I doing? I don't know. Anyways, let's get going because I got shit to do. So I'm just taking these out of the packaging because it just makes it easier to grab. As you can see, I've already used up. Mind you, I lost a couple because I dropped them. Don't be like me, okay? Succeed in life. Make sure you get some tweezers, some good tweezers, and you may get some glue on them, so be careful because they can just close shut, and obviously you need them. So now I learned the hard way. I had poured it onto a piece of paper and the glue does dry fairly quickly, like not super quick because it was a glob, but then there was like this dry film on top of the glob, so I couldn't stick the individual lashes in it to get some glue. So what I'm doing now is literally just getting it open and then kind of just tilting it and then just sticking the individual lashes in there and just kind of just dipping it there and then close it again. Last time it only took me like 35 minutes, which is actually really good. So I think this time I'm going to start with the middle and then work my way in and then out, because I did it from the end inward and I'm left-handed. So for this eye, it was difficult for me to position the lashes. So we're going to do it differently. We're going to try, and then we're going to try the other eye and see what the best is. No one's dabbing anymore. What am I doing? You can see it now. Little medium one, okay? And I got a nice little glob there, and I kind of focus it on the bottom part of the lash because that's what's gonna be laying on top. Okay, do you see it? I think you see it, right? Right there. Place it really close, because at least with this glue, with some coconut oil, it comes right off. I don't know what type of glue other people were using. They were saying that it hurt them, they were pulling out lashes. Like, then I grab my tweezers and kind of like with normal lashes, I just squeeze the two together so that, you know, it's positioned correctly. Then you have to clean your tweezers because now you have glue on them, and that's what I just forgot to do the other time, and my tweezers were gluing together and that wasn't fun. They weren't letting go of the lash, so I ruined some of them. And we have one. Okay. okay, y'all. I don't think you can see it, but you can tell that this is definitely more full than this. I need some cake break. You're gonna need a lot of fucking patience doing this because this is annoying me like a lot. I'm gonna try something. I may go blind doing it, but do it for the YouTube. Basically, you're not gonna be able to see it on camera, or maybe you can. Actually, yeah, you can. There's a gap right there, and I want to fill it. So we're gonna take a lash and go under. I heard some people are doing that, and I figured, let's fucking try it. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, it worked. I think I want to go under this time. Y'all, putting it under really does work wonders. Wow. I'm shooketh. It's just now I'm annoyed because I should have done this from the freaking get-go, you know? Fuck! It's okay. I'll just keep going. So I'm sure this is a sin in the lash community, but I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna apply waterproof mascara, one coat, very light coat, so that I can kind of glue them all together. I'm gonna explain why in a minute. Here's my, ooh, my boobs bounce. It's kind of like when you wear falsies, you know, you kind of just put them on and then you kind of want to mesh them all together with some mascara. And I just feel like I should be doing this because my lashes, it's kind of like an obvious separation, you know? So, oh no. What do I rate this process? This process, honestly, it's pretty tedious. I don't recommend everyone to do, but if you have nothing to do and you don't feel like wearing mascara all the time, which kind of, you know, me putting mascara on them defeated the purpose of lashes, but I just felt like I had to because you could clearly see my lash line, and obviously you don't want that. You want to get as close as you can, but I couldn't do it this time. First time I did it, it was pretty close, so oh well. I'm just gonna have to deal with this, but make sure obviously you put on waterproof mascara if you try this so that you can kind of mesh them all together. And really, it was very minimal amount. Like, I'm not gonna have, you know what I mean? Like, you can just get a cotton swab and just go like this and it'll come out. Yeah, I don't know what this video was about, but there's me putting on lashes, and here you go, here you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't really talk much. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do it because I do things on there. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. It's free and you get a cookie. I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next one.